Yeah, I will be.
Hi, Mr. Harrington.
How you doing there, Trent?
I'm doing okay. This is actually a pretty good Moab. The last Moab, I put this engine in this Jeep. So this time, just put a little hole in the radiator. A little tech tip. When you have an electric fan, never, ever, ever, ever put the little zip tie thingies that they give you to put the fan directly on the core of the radiator. Works fine in a street rod, but on an off-road car, where you got a lot of vibration and stuff like that, it'll eventually wear a hole in the radiator. How long? Well, in this case, exactly 1 year, almost to the day. I was in Torrey, Utah this morning, and it started leaking, and it was simply because the anchors holding the electric fan to the radiator had worn a hole in the radiator. That is not what you want.
You fixed?
I think so.
You think? Howdy. I wasn't going to come 2 days ago.
Thank God for small favors.
Yes, sir.
4 bolts, 2 hoses, and 2 wires. I thought it was funny. Maybe it wasn't. Sorry.